Victoria.
Hi!
What are you up to this morning?
I'm up to some unboxing. We have quite a few today.
Ooh, I see this. Scoot, a tiny New York bird with a great big idea.
Ooh. And then we have, what's your name? So many names.
A new Phoebe and her unicorn adventure. Unicornado.
Oh my goodness! Exciting! Ooh, I am okay to feel. I like that.
A leopard diary. My journey into the hidden world of a mother and her cubs.
Oh, so
leopards.
Speaking of cute, a spark in the dark.
Aw. Oh, this is cute. Snot, sneezes, and super spreaders.
Ooh.
Everything you need to know about viruses and how to stop them.
Right on time. It's the season where everyone's getting sick. Logan's greenhouse. Oh, this looks so lovely.
Searching beyond the stars, 7 women in science take on space's biggest questions. A song for the unsung. Bayard Rustin, the man behind the 1963 March on Washington.
Ooh, Flying Scotsman and the best birthday ever.
Oh, Bake, Make, and Learn to Cook Vegetarian by David Atherton. On the Great British Baking Show.
I was gonna say, a familiar
Nice.
face. We have good, oh wait. This is a parenting book.
Oh, yeah.
We have Good Inside, a guide to becoming the parent you want to be.
Oh, Dr. Becky. Moms love Dr. Becky. A history of words for children.
Ooh, cool. Oh, here we go. We have The Fox and Little Timothy. This is volume 2.
Ooh, we've been waiting for that one. Fill in the gap.
Hold it this way.
Mega Predators of the Past.
Ooh. A board book. We have Eat Together.
Aw. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. A picture book of the poem.
I'm from around where that poet used to write. Enemies. Ooh, okay. This is one of our graphic novels.
Oh, yeah. And last but not least, Hello USA, a board book about the United States.
Very nice.
Thanks, Victoria. I'm excited to read these new books.
Me too.